Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial here from TechSite Builder. Just wanted to show you a new feature that we implemented called the sticky header. The problem this solves is that when someone visits your website and they start scrolling down to read the rest of your website, like for example, like say they're right here and they want to quickly go to another page on your website. There's no way to do that quickly without scrolling back up or down. And as we know with website marketing, every second is precious. So we don't want our visitors to waste any time. So in order to solve that problem, we implemented what's called a sticky header. So to enable your sticky header, you can go to your visual customizer. There's a link here in your toolbar at the top. And then from here, I want to go to my header settings. And then from here at the very bottom, there's a new option called Use Sticky Header. It's off by default. I'm going to say yes, I want to turn that on. And then you'll notice what happens when I start to scroll down now. The header sticks to the top of the website. And what happens here is it will take your logo. It will basically take your navigation bar and move over your navigation items and then stick your logo on the left. So it just kind of fits everything in one nice bar across the top. You'll notice that my logo doesn't look very good because the color of the logo matches the background color of the navigation menu. So in that case, I can go ahead and change the style settings header, and let's see, where is it? The navigation menu background color. I'm going to change that because by default it takes just the secondary color that you set in your overall style settings. So in this case, I'm just going to set it to kind of a dark gray. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. That's a little bit better. Maybe a slightly lighter gray. Let's try that. Okay, that's getting closer to what I'm looking for. So as you can see, and I can play around with the coloring a bit until I find something that I like. And with your logo and your navigation menu, you'll have to tweak it a little bit. But that's just kind of a quick and easy way to get a nice sticky navigation menu, sticky header at the top of your website. So as someone is scrolling down, they're able to then quickly jump to one of your other pages if they would like to do so. So I'll just click publish, close that, and now when I scroll down my website, you'll see the navigation menu and my logo stick to the top. So hopefully you like that new feature. Love to see how you guys implement that in your own websites. And I'll see you on the next tutorial here for TechSite Builder.